This is the second video to section 3.1 in our OpenStax College Algebra textbook. We say that y is a function of x if every x value of x is assigned to exactly one value of y. So x is the independent variable. Y is the dependent variable. In the examples below, determine whether or not each equation defines y as a function of x. To do this, we are going to try and isolate our y variable. So we'll subtract 8 from both sides. And then we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 2. Notice here, each input x is assigned exactly one output. Therefore, y is a function of x. Let's take a look at number 5, and once again, we'll try to isolate the y variable. If we subtract x squared from both sides, now, in order to try to isolate the y variable, we'll take the square root of both sides, but when we take the square root of both sides, we have a positive or a negative, leaving us with two equations. In this case, y is not a function of x because we have some instances where the same x value can produce two different y values. Moving on to number 6, once again we'll try to isolate the y variable. First, we'll subtract 9x squared from both sides. We'll divide both sides by 4. And then we'll take the 5th root of both sides to isolate the y variable. Since our index here is odd, it's not an even number, that means we will not have to write plus and negative in front of the radical like we did when we had the square root. So in this case, y is a function of x. Each input x produces exactly one output y. Moving down the page, there is an easy way to see if a relationship is a function, and we can do this graphically. We're going to use what's called the vertical line test. If you can draw a vertical line anywhere on the graph, it should only touch the graph once and no more than once. For instance, if you take a look at 7a, notice I can draw several vertical lines. I can draw as many as I like, and it will never touch the graph in more than one place. This is called the vertical line test, and it means we have a function. Now, if we want to know if a graph is a one-to-one function, what we're going to use is called the horizontal line test. And what that means is that you should be able to draw a horizontal line anywhere along this graph, and it will never touch the graph in more than one place. This means the function is one-to-one. Taking a look at letter B, let's first use the vertical line test. My first vertical line I draw touches our graph in two places. Therefore, this is not a function. Moving on to letter C, when we draw horizontal lines through this graph, the horizontal lines touch the graph in no more than one spot. So this is a function. However, is it a one-to-one function? We're going to use the horizontal line test for that. My first horizontal line looks good. It doesn't touch the graph in more than one spot. But once I draw my second horizontal line, it does touch the graph in more than one spot. So this is not a one-to-one function. This concludes the second video to section 3.1.